The pledge is ready to display our heartfelt respect and affection towards our dear country. So I request Vatsala to come and lead us with the pledge. India is my country. Allegiance of my brothers, sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its history and for its heritage. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and teach everyone courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. There will be endless party as well as my happiness. Some thoughts are so powerful that it can change our life. So for sharing a positive thought, I call upon Ketan. Focus on progress, not perfection. I repeat once again. Focus on progress, not perfection. It means making daily improvement is more effective than trying to do everything perfect on once. Thank you. I would like to invite Bhavishya Kamsika. Please come forward and lead us with the state song. I would like to invite Avantika from 4th class to present today's thought of the day.
Today's word of the day is postponed. English meaning really and anything. All action to end really and invite all action to a later time. Telugu meaning write the recipe. Hindi meaning start किया गया.
I would like to invite Vasit to present today's Zika question to us.
For Ashmita, which number comes in between 39 and 41? Which number comes in between 39 and 41?